One of the most important skills you could acquire when learning how to speak in public is the ability to express your ideas or thoughts in a specific period of time. In Toastmasters, we have a specific role for this, whose responsibility to ensure that each and every section of meeting starts and ends on time. Today I, Toastmaster Harsha, will share my experience on how to perform the role of timer. A Toastmaster's timer is one who records and reports the time of every speech being delivered as well as time taken by all role takers. Before the start of meeting, ensure these four things. Number 1. Make sure that your mobile phone is charged as the meeting goes on for 2 hours. Also make sure that you have put your mobile phone in airplane mode so that there is no disturbance, and open the stopwatch app in your mobile. Number 2. Make sure that you have a copy of agenda as well as the timer record sheet. Number 3. Make sure that you are sitting in the first row so that you are clearly visible to the speaker. Number 4. Start the stop clock when the speaker starts speaking or he makes the first gesture or sound. This is especially important during table topics. During table topics, a table topic master gives a table topic to the speaker. Usually speakers take some time to think how to deliver the speech. So wait for the time, and when they make the first gesture or the first sound, then start the stop clock. During the meeting, you will be called upon by the general elevator or the MOC to introduce yourself and explain your role as timer. This is basically done for the benefit of first-time guests who are new to the roles of Toastmasters. You have a time slot of 1 minute. Start by connecting the theme of the day with the timer role. Then explain about the 3 large display cards and at what time we'll be showing them. So we have green card which will be showing as the qualifying time, the yellow card which represents the target time, and the red card which represents the finish time. For an icebreaker speech, the speech slot is 4 to 6 minutes. So we'll be showing the green card at the 4th minute, and the yellow card at 5th minute, and the red card at 6th minute. So there will be a buffer time of 30 seconds on either side, which means if the speaker winds up the speech after 3 minutes 30 seconds or before 6 minutes 30 seconds, then they will be eligible for the Best Prepared Speaker Award. For other prepared speeches, the time slot is 5 to 7 minutes. So we'll be showing the green card at 5th minute, yellow card at 6th minute, and red card at 7th minute. There is a buffer time of 30 seconds on either side. So if the speaker ends his speech after 4 minutes 30 seconds or before 7 minutes 30 seconds, then they will be eligible for the Best Prepared Speaker Award. For table topics, the speech slot is 1 to 2 minutes. So you will be showing the green card at 1 minute, yellow card at 1 minute 30 seconds, and red card at 2 minutes. There is a buffer time of 30 seconds only on the upper side. So for the speaker to be qualified, he should end the speech after 1 minute or before 2 minutes 30 seconds. For speech evaluations, the time slot is 2 to 3 minutes. So we'll be showing the green card at 2nd minute, yellow card at 2 minutes 30 seconds, and red card at 3rd minute. There is a buffer time of 30 seconds on either side. So if the speaker ends his speech after 1 minute 30 seconds or before 3 minutes 30 seconds, then they'll be eligible for the Best Evaluation Award. Role of timer is just not limited to prepared speeches, table topics, or speech evaluation. Timer keeps a track of time taken by all role takers and displays appropriate display cards when they are nearing their time slot. This is to ensure that we end the meeting on time. In ITMB, as a perk, the timer, can decide the time taken for the tea break. We can extend it or we can reduce the time. During the end of meeting, you will be called upon by the general elevator to present your report. Start by announcing the time at which the meeting started, Then read out the time taken by all prepared speakers, table topic speakers, and speech evaluators, and announce if anyone has been disqualified for voting. Each and every role in Toastmaster offers something to learn and improve upon. As a timer, we can improve our time management skills. Also, I personally feel that the role of timer or even a counter or a grammarian are meant for people who are completely terrified of stage, like me. Yeah. After doing this role for 2 to 3 times, we feel a lot more comfortable in delivering our first speech. I wish you all the very best for taking up this role and thank you.